Wait a minute. Holy Toledo. Is that Freebird? Oh, Freebird, baby. Let's go check out this walk-in cooler. Look at that. It's 58 degrees. Alright, all the fans are running. Yeah, let me jump on top. Alright, I made it up here in the attic. It's another capsulated unit. It's got the Corel control on it. It's saying that it's in defrost right now. This is our coil. That little fan there is how they're trying to take some of the heat out of here. Five-inch duct, huh? Okay. All right, here's our evap section. There is an evaporator sensor down there, but the coil looks pretty hot, warm to me. I don't know why it doesn't come out of defrost yet. Evap sensor and temperature sensor. The evap coil needs cleaning, and the condenser could use a little shine up too. Take a look here. Got it to come on, but no condenser fans. We're thinking we got dead condenser fan motors. I gotta check those. Yep. And then there goes the compressor bypassing. That was the what that sound was a compressor blowing its internal relief. So I got no condenser fans. I got to find out why. So let me grab some tools. Interesting. They're both dead. I might have something on the truck that might fit in there to get me by. I don't have these interlink ECMs. It's an ECM type motor. But look at how they put these ones on. See the bracket for it? You got to get the nuts from the inside, which you're going to have to do because you got to get the fan blade off. So let me get the wrench in here. Alright, so here's going to be my approach to getting these out. If you guys have a better way, if you've worked on these ones before, you have a better way of getting these out, here's how I'm going to do it. I'm going to get my T-handle Allen wrench. I am going to get this fan blade loose, get it out of the way, and then I'm going to loosen up the nuts on the inside of this bracket to get this out all the way. And that's about the best way I can see right now. Right in there. And the nuts are right down in there. I do have some ratchet wrenches, so let's give it a try. And I'll see if I get that out of there. Alright, I got my ratchet wrench. Just get inside there and get all those nuts, all four, all the way around, and then the bracket comes out. I already took this other one out so I can show you guys. Then that's the bracket that comes out. It sits in there like that. So you have to get the nuts from the inside. Then the motors are just, I'm going to replace them with those regular old, I got the universal evaporator fan motors / condenser fan motors. You know, the beer can looking motors. It's just 1/15 horsepower. RPMs are just a wee bit more. I'm not concerned with that. And the bolt pattern's like spot on, so these are those goofy motors that were in there. I did cut the connectors because it's got the plug-ins like the evap fans. So I'll connect that to hook those up. That's what I'm going to do. As I get further along, I'll show you guys. But that one's already out, and then I'm going to get this one out right here. So yeah, you get that out, and then it's 3/8 on these. All right, I had a couple of these on the truck. The Mars 10850s. The amp draws real close, they fit right in there on the bracket. So we tried those Azure motors. Let's see how they work. There we go. So far so good. Amp draws 0.46, so we're fine. You can go up to 0.65 on those motors. So we're doing good. I gotta get it all built back together. And I gotta wash this coil and I gotta wash that coil.